Hi everybody, Dr. D here, author of Beyond Medicine, Exploring a New Way of Thinking. And today we're going to explore a new way of thinking about the science of successful change. Now, as many of you know, for the past couple of years, I've been teaching a program called The Science of Successful Change to limited groups of individuals on a very personal basis. Now, these individuals have been paying in excess of $300 an hour to learn all of the elements of this program that will allow them to take back control of their lives and to actually identify what it is that they don't like about their lives and to consciously change it. Now, there are really just three reasons why you're not experiencing the life that you desire. The first one is you don't know what it is that you want. The second reason is you don't know how to get it. And the third reason is that you're resisting having it. Now, the Science of Successful Change program addresses all of these elements over a period of about 6 weeks, which is the time frame required for the subconscious programming to be altered. And now, the subconscious programming is what really drives behaviors and choices and habits. In fact, it's responsible for anywhere from 94 to 98% of all of the behaviors and choices that we're involved in. Now, the conscious mind, on the other hand, has the single job of filtering out information that's consistent with what you already believe, what you already think is true, and what you already are experiencing in an effort to keep you safe. In other words, maintain the status quo. So in order to change something long-term and permanently, you really have to have access to this subconscious operating system, and you have to have access to the right information and impress it in the right order on the right area of the brain to effect a permanent change that will allow the conscious mind to then seek out additional information that's consistent with the change that you want to make. Now, to give you an example of how daunting this task really is, each of us is exposed to about 400 billion bits of information every second. And out of that 400 billion bits of information, there are certain mechanisms in the physical brain that are designed to seek out and extract approximately 2,000 of those bits of information per second and incorporate them into maintaining the status quo. So you can see that if you're exposed to all of this information and you're really seeking out a very limited amount of information in order to maintain the experiences that you've been having up to this point in your life, how important it is to be able to access other information, apply it in a different way, structure it in the right order, and impress it on the right area of the brain in order to produce a different result. Now, the Science of Successful Change program is about to be released as a home study course that's going to be far less expensive and far more user-friendly in terms of being able to go at your own pace and use the same tools that I use with my clients in my office every day to allow them to take back control of their lives, to identify what it is they don't like about their life, and to change it very specifically, very predictably, in a very predictable time frame. So, if you want more information on this program, please go to matrixtransformation.com, and I have a lot of additional information posted on the site, and we'll continue to have more involving this program over the next few weeks. But for now, understand this, that in order for you to have a different experience in your life, you're going to have to do things differently than you've been doing them up to now. If you continue to do what you've been doing and continue to experience the same results, the only way that you're ever going to change that is to make some different choices, incorporate some different information in a different order, and impress it on the right area of the brain to effect a permanent change in the experiences you're having or currently having in your life. And it will contain a lot of the elements from a lot of the people that I've worked with over the years to construct this program, and it will contain various elements of the dichotics that you've heard me speak about and you've read about on the website. Now, the dichotics are a very important part of taking the right information and impressing it on the right area of the brain in terms of specific issues. And I'm going to talk about those in another video very shortly that deals specifically with the dichotic dissertation. But for the moment, please understand that if you want more information about this program, or if you're interested in knowing how to make the changes you want to make in any area of your life, please visit me at matrixtransformation.com. I'm Dr. Richard DeCenso. Thank you for watching. I look forward to exploring a new way of thinking with you about many of the common healthcare concerns and issues that you write to me about and call my office with every day in a new video very soon.